Sometimes a subtle mirror change from square to round makes all the difference. This one arrived quickly, well packaged. My first impression is that it didn't feel flimsy at all. It had a gorgeous shine and glow. Reflection, beautiful. Love the black frame. First impression, super happy. The backside is covered with a film to prevent glass going everywhere should it break or shatter. I like the appearance of that matte black finish on the aluminum alloy frame, likes and thin, and it has hanging brackets already installed, and it does come with a set of screws and sheetrock supports to hang it. And here's an up close look at that anti-corrosive mirror treatment. The reflection is beautiful. It's not too heavy, but the frame just gives it that nice modern touch that I do like. And that 6-layer shatterproof glass seems really just well built, durable. Love the arch at the top. I've had this older 24x36 mirror on top of the fireplace for a while and was just looking for two things. One, a more modern feel with that black frame. And two, there are so many linear elements with the square windows, the square fireplace, that I really loved the softening of the round of the elements I've added to the fireplace. Love the light reflection that it's bringing to the space. It really helps brighten it when it's reflecting those light from the lamps and the overhead lighting as well. And that is why I decided to lean it against the wall, because I did want it to slightly tilt up to catch the reflection of that light and bounce it. Thanks to the seller for sending this over. This mirror is gorgeous in person.